Namaskaram. Welcome to day 3 of the Margari Krishnanubhavam series. In the third pasuram of Tirupavai, Andal says, Vongi Ulagalanda Uttaman Perpadi. She praises Lord Sriman Narayana as the one who took Vamanavataram. Similarly, Annamacharya in his Kirtana Brahma Kadigina Padamu does the same. Chalagi vasudha goli chinani padamu balitalamu pina padamu. Chalagi vasudha goli chinani padamu balitalamu pina padamu. Talaka gaganamu tannina padamu. Talaka gaganamu tannina padamu. Balari pugachina padamu. Brahma kadigina padamu. Brahmamutaneni padamu. Brahma kadigina padamu.